Join me Saturday, May 2nd from approximately 2 to 4:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for my online cooking keto class. We will prepare a low-carb keto breakfast, lunch, dinner, 2 snacks, and a dessert from scratch. We will be making sausage puffs, pork chili verde, butter chicken, Minnesota sushi, cream cheese jello blocks, and cinnamon rolls. The Zoom webinar will be recorded so you can have access again whenever you'd like or need to go back and get a refresher. We will work together real time to prepare and store delicious low-carb keto foods. You'll be provided with a complete grocery list, nutrition facts, full recipes, and supply list for preparation, cooking, and storage. Let's have some fun, meet new friends, and have plenty of low-carb keto food for later. The investment is a super low $24.99. Register at centerforlcl.com/group-mentoring ASAP so you can get on the ingredients list and ensure you've got everything you need. I sincerely look forward to working with you.